This is our Priyanka, Assistant Professor, Department of CEC. Now, my students are going to explain the exception handling in Python program.
Hello everyone, myself Kamal Bharati. I am pursuing second year CSE at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to explain about what is exception handling. Before that, I am going to explain what is exception. Exception is an unexpected event that occurs during the execution of a program which prevents the normal flow of a program. To overcome this exception, we have exception handling. Exception handling is the process of detecting and responding the exceptions during the execution of a program. The main purpose of exception handling is to enhance the normal flow of the program and to prevent the crash of a program during execution and to report and respond to the meaningful messages to the users and developers. These are the purpose of exception handling.
Hello everyone, myself Vaidishwari. As she said, exceptional handling, there are some keywords in the exceptional handling. First, try, which the exception errors will be occurred in the try block. Then except, which handles the exceptional errors. Then else. Else is a part where no exceptional errors occurs. It will come to the else part. Then finally will be giving the result whether the exceptional occurs or not. And there are some types of exceptionals like first zero division error. When we divide a number, if the divisor is zero, it will produce a zero division error. Then value error. If we give any input value, if we give the input value will be integer. If we give the float value, it will give us a value error. Then type error. Thirdly, type error. Type error is when we apply some operations between any two types, it will produce us the type error. Then index error. If we give particular index number, if a variable have 50 as index value, then if the input value will be above the 50 value, it will produce the index error. Then finally, file not found error. It is a general error where if we check any files in the exceptional handling, if no file is produced, it will produce us the file not found error. Thank you.
Now, my student Vignesh is going to explain the program based on exception handling.
Hi, I am Vignesh from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now I am going to explain about exception handling with an example. First I will tell you what is exception handling. It's nothing but it won't crash the program, it just handles smoothly. Okay, let's go into an example. See, this is the program, a basic program for an exception handling. See, here we will get an input. If it is correct, it will print the next line. If user give instead of giving integer, if they give a string like hello or something else, it won't be pop up with that error. Instead of that, it will handle smoothly with this statement. For example, first when we are executing this program, first it will print the input, enter the number. If the user give 1 or 2, I mean in simple words, in an integer value, it won't bring an error. Instead of that, it will print you have entered and the number 1. If they give hello or something else, this is called as a integer type error. This is the example for the type error. If they give hello, it won't pop up with an error with it's not correct. Instead of that, it will go with oops, that's not the number. In simple words or in simple, it will tell like if I can't do it, don't worry, I will just handle. This is the statement for the exception handling in the Python.